Subscribe to Career Story 60 and unlock your ChatGPT superpowers.
Hello, today is day 11 of Promptathon, and we are more than halfway in building our AI habits, or should I say, we are moving towards building our AI agents. Next couple of days, you will see us doing real demos, working on some of the agents. We will together be building it. It is not so technical as we think. These are really important for us to understand. They are no code, zero code agents. Anybody can build it as long as you're using WhatsApp. You can build an AI agent. I will teach you that way. Okay, now if you have been following me for the last 11 days, 10 days, good. Otherwise, I recommend you go back to the first session, day one, day two, day three. It's all in the order in YouTube channel. Watch those sessions, then come to this. Let's move on. Today, I will use Perplexity. We have tried Gemini, we have tried ChatGPT. Let's try some other model, okay, and see what kind of results does it come up. I'm very familiar, or ChatGPT is something that I usually tend to go, but Gemini gives me good outputs, especially with images. That's where I go. Sometimes for some document research, Gemini has given me a better result, and I keep trying with different LLMs. So today let's see Perplexity. Okay. What I'm trying to do is, yesterday's session was all about agents, right? So today let's understand the agents ourselves and use ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini to let them make us understand what agents all about. Okay. So my prompt today is, I want to understand AI agents. Give me 10 simple starter prompts. Go step by step so that I can understand AI agents in a simple way. Let's try this. What does it come up with? So it's saying there are 10, and I said step by step, right? So it's saying the first step is, let's go and check what is an AI agent and how is it different from regular chatbot. Use this to get a clear, simple definition and understand the distinction between agents and chatbots. Let's try this first. Okay, we'll ask Perplexity only. You can copy that and put it on chat GPT also. Okay, it's saying an AI agent is an advanced software system that can autonomously interpret, reason, and act to achieve specific goals across multiple steps or platforms. Using technologies like large language models, machine learning, and memory, in contrast, a regular chatbot is a typical limited to predefined scripts, right? And it'll only answer simple repetitive queries which are guided through, which anybody can do. We have seen that. Key difference: technology, chatbots are rule based, agents are generative. They have AI and LLM model engine behind it. Advanced natural language understanding. Okay, natural languages are the language that we speak, all the English, Hindi, whatever language that we speak. They can learn from interactions, adapt over time, and reason through complex scenario. Let's look at the capabilities. Chatbots handle simple structures like answering FAQs. AI agents can manage complex multi-step workflows. You remember yesterday I was talking about it? Say you have your own agent which understands your travel, or your understands you very much. You're traveling somewhere, it can book your tickets. It can also understand what's your seat preference, meal preference, hotel preference, view preference, take care of your cabs, take care of your other guests, access controls, everything it can do. Context and memory. Chatbots generally do not remember previous conversations. AI agents need to maintain memory because they are learning, they are understanding the user. Okay. Autonomy. Chatbots are reactive. AI agents can become quite autonomous. Okay. Today we are having agents which are mostly still reactive. Okay. Yeah, very less AI agents are there which can be so autonomous. This is a futuristic view, very minimal, and those ones which we have which are being developed, like say Manas agent, right? Manas.ai, we cannot use them in at an enterprise level, so we will have to restrict it to some of our regular day-to-day use cases. Anyway, we tried the first prompt. It only so Perplexity gave me the prompt so that I can understand what an agent is. My second prompt is, explain the main building blocks of an agent. Okay, in very simple terms, I'll put this. Let's see what this comes up with now. So it's doing some research on different news articles. There are some sources, 9 sources, and it is telling me model. This is the brain of an agent. It's usually a large language model. Okay, the model allows the agent to make decisions and learn from experiences, instructions, knowledge. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not happy. Happy. Make me understand this like I am a 10-year-old. Let's see. So let's say, imagine you have a super smart robot friend. This friend can help you with your homework, find answers, or even play games. But what makes this robot so clever? Let's break it down to understand the four main parts of an agent. Number one, it is the brain. It helps to your robot to understand what we want, right? Number two, the rules. These are rules of the game. So the robot understands all the games, right? It understands like help me with math, you have to be polite, things like that. Third is memory. The robot friend remembers things it has learned, okay? And it will continue to remember also. Fourth, the tools. There are some special gadgets that the robots can use. For example, a calculator to solve or a internet, how to find internet, use internet to get new information. And all of it puts together, and that's example. What's 5 times 7? The robot's brain understands your question. The rules say it should help you with math. In memory, it will already know 35. If not, it will use the calculator tool and give you the answer 35. Okay. In simple words, an AI agent is like a smart robot friend. It can remember, okay, it can listen to you, it can follow the rules, and it will be also like a chatbot, remembering and improving what you want. So this is basically an agent. Let's try to go to the next prompt that we want to understand, right? We said 10 prompts step by step. Give me a real world example, or let's say give me 3 real world examples of AI agent and describe what it does. And keep it very simple. You keep it in very language. Let's see this. So there are 3 examples. One is AI agent helping in a hospital healthcare. So the AI agent in this example watches your health using data like smartwatches, medical records. It sees something unusual like your heartbeat is pumping, heart is pumping faster. It quickly warns the doctor. The doctor can then help you before you get really sick. That's an AI agent. Second is an agent working in a call center. When you call for help, okay, the AI agent listens to your problem, it checks your account, looks for the company rule, fixes your issue right away. So example, you're paid the bill, all right, you're paid whatever was due for your telephone, but you're still the telephone number got disconnected. So it can understand what why when you are paid and all that. If there was a payment gateway problem, the payment didn't get through, it will tell you. That's third example. AI agent managing a factory. The agent notices when a part of the material is running low in the factory, okay, and it can tell when the more material has to be required. Let's ask for more examples. Give me 10 more AI agent use cases. Use cases are basically examples. So one is medical diagnosis we have seen, cyber security guard. AI agents can watch for hackers and viruses and quickly protect. So large enterprises they can use it. HR assistant, this is the most common in enterprises now. They help companies by sorting job applicants, scheduling interviews and searching employee queries. We will do this one demo. I have done this in my company, so we will do this one demo. Customer service agents, this is also very common. Inventory manager, we spoke about it. Let's say mm, virtual teacher, this is interesting. They help students by answering homework questions, explaining tough topics and giving practice quizzes. So they will adapt to the students requirement. Okay, very good. So there, if you want to ask more examples we can do that, or let's go to our next one, fourth one. Let's understand the AI agent. Make this simple to understand. Let's understand this part now. How does an AI agent use memory? So memory lets the AI agent remember what you have said and done before. Okay. They use short-term memory, long-term memory, and so on. Why is memory very important? We don't have to explain that. That's how it'll start building its response. Now, what we should do is I suggest I don't want to go one by one. You try this at home. Please understand what an agent is. Ask these questions to ChatGPT. First of all, you ask ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini, Claude, whatever is your favorite tool. I want to understand AI agents. Give me some startup prompts. Okay. So you first understand that. It will give you some startup prompts. Go simple one by one. If it is giving you difficult language, tell it to tone the language to more simple. Give some examples so that you are able to relate, and ask it to give some examples in for your area. Suppose you are living in Dubai, you are living in Hyderabad, you are living in New York, whichever place. Tell it to give you in your simple relatable examples. So it will start giving you that. And then you can check describe an agent AI how it plans to solve a problem. Then show me a simple prompt when an agent can book a flight also. Along with that, we spoke, right, how it did. What are the best practices for writing clear effective prompt for agent? Need not have to go to that level. Once we develop one or two agents, you will understand that. But I have homework for you is go to ChatGPT, ask more information about agents, learn it by yourself, and tomorrow we will develop this agent. Okay, thank you for joining. This is Promptathon.